The only suggestion I give to anyone who is coming to Germany, like first thing to do, they need to do is pure biology background and pure computer science background. We are the bridge. We can understand both. No, I'm very bad at chemistry. We analyze the biology data, like metabolites data, transcriptomics data, all the DNA data, everything. The full name of the course here I took is Computational Biology and Bioinformatics. Yeah.
You were the first batch?
Yeah.
Okay, since they introduced
this
APS
APS,
system.
yeah.
So, Krishna,
Yeah.
thank you very much for coming to my podcast.
Thanks to you as well inviting me.
So, you just arrived Germany, I think, a couple of months back
Yeah.
to do your master's in computational biology in the University of Goettingen.
Sure.
So, tell me, how about the course?
The course, like, it's related to my bachelor's course, what I did in India. That's bioengineering. So it's related to that same course. Like, so it's my specialization is computational biology. The full name of the course here I took is Computational Biology and Bioinformatics. So it's not that what do you say? Not different from what I did in my bachelor's. So I find it a bit easy to pick up everything. Yeah.
So, can you tell me what was your bachelor's about?
Yeah, my bachelor's. I did my bachelor's in bioengineering at IIT Mandi, Himachal Pradesh. It was all about bioengineering is all about integrating both computer science and biology stuff. Like we analyze the biology data, like metabolites data, transcriptomics data, all the DNA data, everything. We integrate it with computer science, and that's the stuff we do in computational biology.
So, what is the computational biology in the computational part? So, leave about the bio part.
Yeah.
But what about the computational part? So, what did you learn in bachelor's?
Okay, in bachelor's, like we also have the computational guys who have computer science background. We also have that things like regular normal programming, Python. We program in Python, R programming,
Okay.
and we have this like computer science related to biology, like biostatistics, bioalgorithms, models and algorithms in bioinformatics.
So, in parallel to this, you study biology.
Yes.
So, do you study biochemistry?
Yeah,
And what are the subjects in
Yeah,
biology?
we have cell biology,
Okay.
microbiology, biochemistry, the regular computational courses, computer science courses.
So, then how did you learn about this master's program here?
That's because of my professor from IIT Mandi. He suggested me to choose Germany for my masters, and he did all the background work for me.
Okay.
Yeah, that's really helpful for me. And the only thing I've searched in DAD, like for applying the universities here in Germany, I just searched first filter I've put as English language,
What is that, Dad?
DAD.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's where I searched what are all the universities that I have, like what are all the universities that are opting for computational biology. There, the first filter I used is the course language that's in English. My course language is in English.
Okay.
So many of the courses are in German. So luckily I found this one in English. So that the one, and another one I've searched is computational biology, and I got only Göttingen University is offering computational biology and bioinformatics course. There are many universities that offers bioinformatics and biotechnology as well.
In Germany?
Yeah, in Germany. Many are in German language, although many are in English as well. But computational biology is the only course that's offered in Göttingen. Yeah, luckily I applied for it and I got selected. For that, I need to give entrance examination as well. And
So, you gave online exam or how?
yeah, that's an online exam. That's a multiple choice online exam.
So, first applying
Yeah,
and then followed by exam.
examination. Yeah,
And then?
directly we got an admission letter. Who all are selected in the examination? Yeah.
Okay. So, actually, how long it took entire process?
For me, I've applied in May. Although it's the May 15th is the deadline for the application. I've applied in May, and I got my next update on June first week or second week, between June first and second weeks. Then I've
For the
written
exam.
for the exam.
Okay.
Yeah, then I've finished the exam, all the necessary things, and I think it's in July first week I got my admission letter.
It's pretty quick, right?
Yeah, it's very quick
Yeah.
actually.
Okay. So, along with you, any of your classmates have also applied to this?
No, I'm the only one from my college who applied for masters.
Your bachelor's is like computational biology plus, biology combined,
Yeah.
right?
Mhm.
So, usually, what are the others actually they are doing right now?
Yeah, many are in software fields. Many of my friends are in software because we also have this computer science stuff, and in India, we know like it's huge demand for software engineers, right? So many opted for software jobs, IT fields, as a
Okay.
developer, so some as an analyst and data analyst.
Okay. Not
So
not
and
related to biology domain.
yeah, I don't say everyone are in some software field, but yeah, three of my friends are in bioinformatics field,
Mm.
and three of my friends are one in Paris doing his masters.
Mm.
Yeah, they are doing their masters. One in America,
Okay.
and I'm here.
The reason for choosing this course is only because your professor suggested you, or
Yeah,
you
and
also
my
liked.
interest in biology and this
Okay.
field, like in the core field, I don't know. Maybe I would also get a job in software when I if I try doing it. Yeah, even I tried, but
Okay.
yeah, but
Alright.
I've choose this masters like to study more in biology and explore something.
Okay. Could you please tell me about after you were offered the seat to study masters here, and till you landed on Germany?
Germany, yeah.
The can you elaborate the
The process,
process?
yeah. The only process, like only important thing is APS. The only suggestion I give to anyone who is coming to Germany, like first thing to do, they need to do is apply for APS
What?
as soon as possible
Okay.
because it's taking a lot of time. Like for me, I got it in 4 months. That's lucky, I would say. There are many people who they didn't get their APS certificate till like for more than 6 or 7 months.
What is APS certificate?
APS is that's German embassy in India. They verify our documents like our degree certificates. Are
Okay.
these original or fake? And they give you a certificate with a number, yeah, stating that yeah these are all original certificates of him, and with that number you can apply for visa. Without that number you can't.
Okay. So
Yeah.
we didn't have this previously.
Yeah.
So because when
I'm
we
the
came
first
here,
batch, yeah.
you were the first batch.
Yeah.
Okay.
Before-
Since they introduced
Yeah,
this
see, this
APS
APS,
system.
yeah, this winter 2023.
Okay. Okay. So actually, I wanted to Google what is APS.
Yeah. Academic process.
This is a German term.
That's a German term.
Academische Prüfstelle. Yes.
Prüfstelle,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes. So this applies to any students who wish to
Yeah.
come here and study.
Masters or bachelors, anything.
Okay, from here onwards.
Yeah, from here onwards.
Okay, that's interesting. Okay, then was it easy for you to get it?
For me, I would say I'm a bit lucky.
Okay.
I got it in 4 months. That's because I think I got my admission at the university first, and I've mailed the university that my APS didn't arrive. I didn't get my APS certificate, and I think they mailed APS regarding this. They made it a bit faster to come. I would say.
4 months is a little bit long, right? I mean, like,
Yeah, but compared to many people, it would be for me. I would say it's on time, perfectly on time.
okay.
Like for my visa, from when the course starts, starts in October, right? I got my APS in July, and that
Okay.
helped me to apply for visa and everything.
So you can't apply for visa if you don't have APS.
Yes.
So it's a prerequisite to
Yeah, that's compulsory.
even apply.
Yeah, you
for
need
the
to
visa.
enter your APS number to apply to book an appointment, a
Okay.
visa appointment.
How to apply that?
Yeah, through BFS Global, I applied.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where do we get the information and internet to apply to APS?
It's many universities are now asking APS for even while applying for the university, while applying for your master's degree. Many universities now they are asking.
Uh-huh.
Even before you apply, you need an APS certificate for your application at the university.
Ah, okay.
At my time, it's not that necessary. It asked me when when the visa process starts, now many universities they are asking for APS certificate before application.
Okay, but for example, if people are doing bachelors there and they have to wait till they get the final degree certificates, right?
Yeah.
Anyway, they have to wait.
Oh.
And then soon after they get it, and they have to follow this process.
Yeah, I would say yeah, I will say my situation. I'm passed. I passed out in June 2023. This year, June 2023.
Okay.
When I'm applying for APS, I don't have my 4.2 transcripts. I just applied with till my 4.1 transcripts until my 7th semester transcripts. I don't even have my last semester grades. I didn't even give the exams. So yeah, but I've uploaded this IELTS TRS sheet, and luckily I got it.
So that means you got the APS certificate only for this 7 semesters certificates.
It's not like that.
It's not
APS,
like that?
it's not like it's
Okay.
not till 7 cent. It's for bachelors or
You got it.
Yeah,
Even though you
bachelors,
don't have the
yeah.
final semester grades or
It's just a verification that your degrees are original or fake.
okay.
That's just states original or fake. That's it.
Okay, in that case, what is the earliest time that a student can apply, a bachelor's student?
The thing is, APS certificate has no validity. It's unlimited validity. Like if you apply for APS and it has no validity, you can apply anytime. If you
Okay.
get one, you can use it anytime.
I mean, my question is like, if the bachelor's student is in first semester or second semester,
I
can he
think,
apply?
No, I don't think so. He can apply in his first or second semester. Maybe third year or like in the 6th or 7th semester, maybe he can.
Okay.
But I'm not sure about, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Do you know the portal? What is the website or you have to apply through which you have to apply for
Yeah,
APS?
that's APS. They are directly. We just Google APS Germany. We can directly go directs to website. Their
Maybe
website.
later we can give the
Yeah.
link in the
Link.
description.
Yeah,
or
we
something,
can give
right?
you. We can give them the link.
Okay, so everything
For
will
that we need to pay around 18,000. I guess 18,000.
Indian rupees.
Yeah, 18,000 rupees
Okay.
for this certificate. Yeah, and then we need to. They give us a checklist of all the documents they require for you giving the APS certificate. It's all have your 10 SSC mark list or intermediate mark list or your bachelor's transcripts or IELTS TRS, everything, and you need to mail them to Delhi office. They'll give you an address and you need to post them to their address at Delhi.
Okay.
And then they verify you and they send you a mail.
And how did you get the certificate? By
Mail.
Mail.
Yeah, they just send you a mail.
That is the original.
Yeah, that's the
You just
original,
take
yeah.
the printout and.
Yeah, that's an online, so I say signed PDF, verified signature.
Okay. Okay. So okay, once you get it, and then you apply for visa,
Yeah.
and everything is set
Yeah.
to come here.
Yeah. In 1 month, I got my appointment. And again, it's August 31st. I got my appointment, and then September 23rd, I got my visa in hand.
Okay.
With passport.
Good. Congratulations.
Yeah. Thank you.
So, can you tell me what do you think the future of computational biology?
Yeah, it's really gonna be a great like nowadays. Like before, it used to be thing like physics has a lot of in 2000s or 2000 till 2000s and 2010s. Physics has a lot of you say research backgrounds. Like the many scientists they used to study about physics a lot, but now like in my opinion, I would say like physics research has came to an end. In my opinion, that's completely my opinion.
Kind of stagnant.
Yeah,
or
that's
saturated.
kind of that's saturated, I guess. But biology background, it's now growing a lot. It's really there are huge research areas in biology. There are many scopes, like even when integrated with computer science and now the technology, AI and machine learning. When these took part in biology, there are many great revolutions coming up in biology as well. There are many fields in computational biology actually, drug discoveries, what do you say? We also like genome editing. There are many fields actually.
So yeah, since you are only for 2 months, I
Yeah.
think
I'm
maybe
very new here to Germany. Yeah.
right. Maybe we can do another podcast
Yeah,
after you
yeah, sure.
finish your masters and there how your
Yeah, yeah,
perspectives.
yeah. How are these classes going in Germany? I'm not even sure about everything. Yeah.
Yeah.
How would be exams going? How would the courses go?
Yeah.
Everything. Yeah. We can make another one as well.
So you feel homesick?
Not really, because I've stayed in hostel for 4 long years. But yeah, sometimes
Yeah,
maybe.
yeah. So
Yeah.
you're from southern part of India, but you studied bachelor's in
Yeah,
the
in the northern
most.
parts, Himachal. Yeah. But yeah, coming to food, everyone feels
Yeah,
homesick.
so you miss food. Yeah.
Yeah, that's of course.
Okay. So let's go back a little bit. So tell me, so in +2, you
Yeah.
studied maths, physics, and chemistry.
Yes, MPC.
So, but why did you suddenly come to biology when you come to bachelor's? Hi. The motto of this channel, Wisdom Vibes, especially the podcast part, is not only to bring extraordinary people and expose their achievements, but also to expose the extraordinary qualities in ordinary people, because we believe that podcasts are the best way to instantly pass the information from the previous generation to the upcoming generation. To become successful in our mission to reach our podcasts to many people around the world, we need your subscription. So please subscribe and share the values by sharing the videos. Thank you very much.
After my JEE advance, with my rank, I got
It's a
this.
junior entrance
Yeah,
examination,
JEE. Yeah.
all India wide, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So this is
There are two exams actually: JEE mains and advance.
okay.
People who qualified in JEE mains, they got the chance to write their advance examination, and who qualified in advance, they would get IIT seats.
In order to study bachelors in reputed Indian institutes of Indian
Yeah,
Institute of Science,
technologies.
Indian
Yeah.
Institute of Technology.
Technologies.
Yeah. So you attempted the JEE.
Yeah, and then I qualified JEE mains, and then written JEE advance.
Okay. Yeah, of course. But why biology?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's because of my rank. I got this position at IIT Mandi bioengineering. I got this one, and then luckily after going there, I also have a little bit interest in biology. And after going to engineering at this college and professors there and the environment, that made me really very interested in biology. Like from then I started studying biology a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how did it feel? How did you feel suddenly jumping into
Yeah.
depths of biology, right?
Yeah.
Because you don't have biology in +2.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
I've studied MPC. Yeah, diving into biology, it's really crazy. I would say, like, it's all new things. There are many unknown things actually. Even when professors are teaching us, they are saying, "Ah, it's all unknown. It's all unknown." I would feel like, yeah, there are many unknown things. There are many research scope. Like many can achieve many things. Like, yeah, they can find. There are many unknown places in biology which we have many scope to find them. Yeah, that's find me very interesting.
Yeah, since you have chemistry in +2, it's not that difficult, right, to understand
No,
biochemistry.
I'm very bad at chemistry. I'm very bad at chemistry. Even when the biochemistry part, I hate. Like, I don't say it. I hate it, but
Yeah.
I'm very bad at biochemistry and chemistry.
Okay, but do you suggest students to like jump into biology and explore here?
Yeah,
Do you think like it's complicated? Don't come here. Or something
No, it's not like that. Like, jumping into biology is not a big deal. Like, if you have your strong background in computer science, your data analysis, that's the main thing everywhere. Now, computer science is the main backbone of everything. Like, every field has computer science as a backbone. So, if you have a strong knowledge in computer science, you have programming skills, your data analytics skills, everything, yeah, you can jump into biology a bit, and you can explore and integrate both the stuffs, and you can do magics as well.
Okay, because nowadays for the upcoming companies or existing companies, the real challenge is to bridge between the scientists, real
Yeah, yeah.
hardcore scientists, and computational people. Because computational people, they're not biologists,
Yeah.
so they completely know coding and
Yeah,
statistics,
they can automate stuff.
analytical
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah.
But how to coordinate with these two
Yeah.
is really challenging right now.
Yeah, that.
Maybe that could be the reason these days universities are introducing such courses, right? In that case, do you think you can justify to the course?
Yeah, of course. Like, we are the bridge between these two. Pure biology background and pure computer science background. We are the bridge. We can understand both what the whole biologist says, and we can integrate it with like what all the computer science background. Like, we know both. Yeah,
So
so it would be easier for us to communicate with both of them and uh,
yeah,
find some
so
new
I mean,
stuff.
like you could balance both.
Yeah.
Okay, not completely
Yeah.
jumping onto the computational part and coding and
Yeah.
stuff because you're strong in that,
Mhm.
and neglecting biology stuff, kind of biochemistry kind of thing,
Yeah.
somehow to
Yeah, but
uh,
it's not only biochemistry. There are many other fields. Like, it's not only biochemistry is a part of biology.
yeah,
Biology is huge.
yeah,
It's really huge. Like molecular biology, you have omics as well, transcriptomics, metabolomics, genomics, epigenomics. It's a huge field. Like we in the bioinformatics, we do like we code the DNA, and then we get the genes out of it, and then from that to we get the mRNAs, and then proteins and all the stuff we have. Like, we
can you
read
tell
them.
me what kind of
Yeah.
experimental exposure that you had in during your bachelor's
Yeah.
in terms of biology?
Yeah, I would say. For that, I need to thank my professor Sham Kumar Masakapalli, Dr. Sham Kumar Masakapalli. Yeah, we one day he made us. He gave us like we are just in the class. We're normally in the class, and he gave us some ghee in a small. What do you say? In a small flask. He gave us. Well, we are two. He gave us a ghee and
Ghee
asked
in
ghee normal we.
out of milk.
Yeah, that's edible. Yeah, edible ghee he gave us and asked us what are all the metabolites you find in this ghee.
Mhm.
Metabolites are small molecules, like, so we can't really say just by looking into them. And he made us go to laboratory. We have 1H NMR, that's a nuclear magnetic resonance machine. If you send the key particles into it, and it's with the magnetic resonance, it gives what are all the small molecules in that with a graph. And he made us practically know everything. How is that doing? How do we find the metabolites in that? And he then that's the first step. Like, that's in my uh, fourth semester actually. Yeah, and
So
then later on.
you have NMR facility.
Yeah, because
Okay.
we have many facilities like NMR. There are many.
And you could handle, or at least for
No,
sample
there's a
preparation or
technician
something.
actually for that.
Yeah.
We can give whatever samples we want, and he will
You learned
give you.
how to
Yeah,
prepare
yeah,
the
yeah,
samples. Okay.
yeah. We have many protocols to prepare the samples. Yeah. Later on, we also did with our own blood. What are all the metabolites we have? What are all the differences between like my friends' metabolites and my metabolites? Yeah, that was really fun doing all that, and it's quite interesting as well. And that helped me in my bachelor thesis as well. That's
Okay.
what I did. And I tried doing a diagnosis of lung cancer actually.
That's interesting.
Yeah, diagnosis of lung cancers through your blood samples and lung tissues.
Okay.
Yeah, from the blood samples, we find out the metabolites, all the small molecules we have in blood, compared to healthy people and the lung cancer diagnosed people. These are the test samples. Yeah. And we find what are all the different metabolites they have, and we find the main metabolites that causing this disease.
Using this
These are,
NMR.
yeah, using NMR, and there are mass spectrography as well. There are two different ways of doing this metabolite search. Mass spectrography. So we find biomarkers. Biomarkers are those who identify, who help in identifying the two different types of strains, healthy one or diagnosed one, healthy, treated or something. Yeah, and other thing is with the lung tissues, cancer cells and the adjacent cells, healthy lung cells, we transcript them. Like transcripts are the, what do you say, a part of genes, like transcript that are responsible for coding proteins.
mRNAs.
Yeah, actually, yeah. So we integrate both the stuff and did my bachelor thesis out of it.
That was really nice exposure
Yeah,
that you had in
yeah,
IITs,
yeah.
right?
That's really good, actually. Yeah.
that's the reason why I'm asking you to expose all of them
Actually,
to.
ours is the first batch who started this bioengineering program. We are the first batch at IIT
Okay,
Mandi.
okay.
Yeah.
So you suggest the course? You are satisfied with the course?
Yeah, completely. The thing is, like, even our professors involves us in the course pattern. What are all the courses you should have in your first semesters and second semesters? How do someone know something? And I, like, the good thing is they used to involve us in everything, like every board meetings as well. That's really good.
When we studied bachelors, so we are also biologists.
Yeah.
We were completely more theoretical rather than practical. So
Yeah.
at the time we knew NMR, but we didn't see that. But now the standards have gone really high, right?
Yeah.
So a student just finished bachelor's speaking about this stuff, and they already got exposed to that. And you also had, I think, a chance to have access to books, all the
Yeah, everything.
right. So
Yeah.
that's interesting. So and then is that the strength of the course syllabus is continuing here?
Yeah,
Do you feel
sure.
that?
It's more deeper here.
More
like,
deeper here.
yeah.
Okay, that's interesting. Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine even in bachelor's as well, but the master standards are maintaining here. That's for sure. You every topic they teach you, like, it's like you should do a PhD in this thing in this module as well. That those are that deep. Yeah,
Okay.
that's really helpful.
That's nice. So, if you are given a chance, do you want to become a scientist in academics or you want to go to industries?
Not both, actually. I want to start my own business.
That's even interesting. Yeah, good. So, of course, there's still a little long way to go.
Yeah, that's a very long way to discuss as well. Yeah.
Yeah, but you are in a very good place here in Göttingen because for startups, especially in life science startups, is one of the best places of Germany.
Okay.
Yes, so we have a very big company is located in Göttingen, that is Sartorius.
Yeah,
That is-
Sartorius.
right?
Yeah,
You might
yeah,
have
I know
heard that.
about that. Yeah.
And there's also like Evotech. And apart from that, the University of Göttingen has an incubation center, its own incubation center, and it encourages students like you to to participate and express your ideas, and they also help you to build a team from the ideation to build a team and write a business plan and get the grants, how to, so all the steps they guide you. And apart from University of Göttingen, you also have life science factory
Okay.
in Göttingen. That's also a kind of incubation center. It also encourages people. It's kind of incubation center, and apart from life science factory, we also have life science valley.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is especially dedicated for biologists to implement their ideas and bring startups out of their ideas.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Yeah. So with the concept of kind of Silicon Valley, kind
Yeah.
of, so they also want to promote and encourage people like you. So I think you would utilize all those the options available
Sure.
here, and
I hope so.
Hope you succeed in your future endeavors, and wish you all the best. And thank you very much
Thank you.
for
Thank you
coming to
so
my
much,
podcast.
Giri.